Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, like a quick chat to my loyal viewers out there about the Sydney Metro brochure. We won't go through the whole brochure today, as I'm currently in my home office at the moment with my lovely cat Sunny, who's currently having a nap at the moment. Sarah's on my couch and treat myself to a couple of cupcakes. Anyway, viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Of course, viewers, the Chatswood to Sydenham section of the Sydney Metro extensions, it should have been in operation by now. Of course, we had to wait a little while longer, hopefully by the end of this month. Of course, today being the 11th of August. So we won't go through the whole of this brochure. Just going to show you a couple of details here. Anyway, guys, shows you the maps of an immediate area where the new railway stations will be at. For example, at Crow's Nest, and right at North Sydney at Victoria Cross Station, to be precise. And your Sydney Central Business District as well, from Barangaroo, Martin Place, Pitt Street and Central. And also shows guys the close proximity area of Waterloo and Sydenham Station, and of course your network diagram. So I won't show you I'll quickly show you the updated network map with the Sydney Metro extensions on it very quickly, guys. That's what it looks like in a few weeks, hopefully, fingers crossed. So that's all I have to show you guys out of this brochure. I've got myself two of them here. That's all I have to show you guys, because there's not much I can film, and I've got a couple of cupcakes waiting to be devoured. So I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. And I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.